If you need a replacement for your outdoor shower box, or you just want to add a new one to your rig, then take a look at RecPro's RV outdoor shower boxes. These products are designed to allow you to add a hot and cold shower outlet or just general water outlet to the exterior of your RV. And they even feature a handy thumb latch that will keep the door nice and securely closed when you're traveling or not using your water fixtures. To install it in your installation location, after making the proper size cutout, you just attach it with a butyl tape and some screws. And for putting a water connection on, such as this quick connect shower diverter, simply take the ends off, put it in, and fasten it down on the other side. And once you do that, you can connect your water line connections, set this into the cutout installation area, and screw it in, and you're good to go. Pretty simple and easy. So the benefit of having a water outlet, such as a handheld shower or such, on the exterior of your RV, is that it allows you to take a shower outside if you really want to, but usually you can attach a hose or a shower head or something like this and spray off muddy boots after a hike or some such, so you don't track dirt and mud and whatnot inside your RV. This product is made out of ABS plastic, which makes it exceptionally durable, as well as highly resistant to harsh weather such as UV light, rain, snow, etc., etc. It's also available in black or white. The measurements for these shower boxes are up on the screen if you want to pause the video and take a quick look. It's also important to note that this product is the shower box only, so it's just this. It doesn't come with any additional water connections or anything. It's a replacement shower box. If you'd like to learn more about this product, go ahead and click the link in the description below. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.